Away from the start of our next event, the men's 60-meter hurdles. A two-section prelim. The heat winners of the next 6 times will advance. Running in lane 1, Nicholas Ripa of Oakland. He was 5th in last year's Summit League Indoor Championships and comes in ranked 5th at 8.26. Lane 2, Nicholas Bobek of Oakland. Lane 3, Colin Carman of North Dakota State. Lane 4, Bennett Herschel of South Dakota State.
Come on.
Lane 5, Eric Hill of South Dakota. He was 7th a year ago in the Summit League Indoor Meet and comes in ranked 4th at 8.23. Lane 6 is Matt Tetzlaff of North Dakota State. He comes in
41.
Where did that come from?
He just made a liar out of me.